How to add music to your WhatsApp status. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up WhatsApp application and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, you head over to Updates tab and then simply tap on Add Status. After that, choose a photo or video you want to upload. And once the media has been uploaded, you will be able to find a music icon right over here. Simply tap onto it. And just like that, WhatsApp will show you a list of popular songs you can add directly inside the app. Pick a song you like, or if you want to choose your own song, you can simply type your song name at the very search bar. After that, you want to go ahead and simply select any songs, and then you can simply tap on done, then press on share to post your status. Now, if you cannot find the song you want or you want more control over music length, here's another option. Head back to your home screen, open up your app store, and then download CapCut from there. You can download CapCut, iMovies, or InShot. After that, open the app, import your video or photo, and add any music you want. Adjust the timing and then export the video and then upload it to your WhatsApp status. That's it. Your WhatsApp status can include music exactly how you want. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.